Hello, welcome to MINGDA 3D Printer Show. This is Lily. Today, let me introduce you to our new arrival upgraded 3D printers. Here we can see obviously that the new machines are more fashion and delicate. This time we choose black and white metal frame, which is more classical. Integrated design metal frame is more firm and stable than that before. The touch screen is upgraded too, which is more durable and easier to operate. As for the components, they are working better too. These technologies are more complex and higher. Why choose MINGDA 3D printer? MINGDA has 9-year professional experience in 3D printing industry. In addition, MINGDA 3D printers has dozens of patent rights. Please believe MINGDA will be your best choice of 3D printing. That's all for today. See you next time.